Okay, now in our Drive Assist section, we have several new products for 2010. The first one is the HCE C200R. Now this is our rear multi-view camera system. And you can see on the screen right here, I can actually hit the mode switch and change between 4 different viewing modes. Now this is a normal backup viewing mode. This would be a top-down viewing mode, so I can see the distance between my bumper and the bumper of the car behind me. Hit the mode switch again, and I actually get a split rear view. So now I'm not looking directly behind the car, I'm looking to the sides. And in this view, I not only see the sides, but I see the center directly behind the car as well. So this gives you a lot of viewing options with your rear camera, and it makes it much easier to back up. We've also included the KTX C10LP license plate frame, and we've mounted that rear camera right in that frame. Now, in addition to that, we have the front camera that goes along with this system. So it actually plugs directly into the HCE C200R. That unit is called the HCE C200F, F standing for front. Now by tapping my on switch, I now move to my front camera. So this is in the front of my vehicle, and on that one I've got 3 modes as well. I've got a normal down view, I've got a wide view, and I've got a split front view. So these are great for different situations. The front view split is great if you're pulling out into traffic. Because you can see what's coming on both sides of your front corners of your car. This down view is great when you're parking, because now I can see my relative distance between the front bumper of my vehicle and the vehicle of the car right in front of me. And this is just good for an overall wide view front image. So using these systems together, you actually have a full-featured multi-view front and rear camera system. Now this is our HCE C107D. Now this is just a direct backup camera designed for 3 Alpine units: the IXA W404, the IXA W407, and the INA W900. This provides a direct-in plug-and-play camera solution, so you can add this to your back of your car and have a great rear visibility view. You can also use the KTX C10LP license plate frame to mount it more easily. Now over here on the right, we have the HCE C105. Now this is the same camera, but it also includes a small black box and a standard video connector. So this can be used with any AVN or AV system that has a standard RCA backup video input. And we've also got these demoed on our brand new TME S370 monitor. This is our new thin 6.5-inch QVGA monitor. And this is great for a multitude of applications. You can use this thing with a backup camera, as you can see over here. You can also plug the NVE M300 navigation module in it and have navigation on a nice big bright 6.5-inch screen. It's got a really unique menu system that's all touchscreen, and it's also compatible with an auxiliary source and our DVD changer as well. So you have a full-featured way to add different sources in the dash of your car. This thing also uses AMP's standard mounting bracket. So it's got those 4 bolts in the back of the unit that allow it to use already existing AMP's mounting solutions. So you can have, for example, a stock mount that comes from the floor. You can have a dash top type mount, windshield suction mount, or even a car vent mount. So there's lots of different ways to mount this in your car and get an audio, navigation, and camera system that works great.